Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Grove Signamli, Panca Rahayu, Resa Ramadhani, Rian Hairul Anwar. Will present one of Indonesian historical texts, namely the role of Indonesia in Islamic Cooperation Organization. The following in the role of Indonesia in the
Islamic world. Indonesia pioneered the idea of the need for a new information system for the Islamic world. This was stated at the OIC Minister of Information Conference in 1988.
third chairman of the Committee of Six. Indonesia's active role in the OIC was prominent in 1993. Indonesia received a mandate as chairman of the Committee of Six. Indonesia is tasked with facilitating peace negotiations between the Moro National Liberation Front and the Philippine government. Fourth, host of the 24 high-level conference. Indonesia hosted the 24 high-level conference in Jakarta in 1996. This key theme was held on 9 until 13 December 1996. The focus of the discussion was on the image of Islam in the international world. At the IKTM, several regional and international issues were discussed, namely as follows. First, the Palestinian issue is a major problem for the Islamic world. Second, strongly counter Israel policies that hinder the peace process. Third, recognize the integrity and sovereignty of Bosnia-Herzegovina within its border internationally. Fourth, called for holding peace talks in the Jammu and Kashmir region, emphasized the need to respect the right of the Kashmiri people to self-determination and strongly condemned violation of human rights in the region. 5. Calling on the warring parties in Afghanistan to immediately conclude a ceasefire. 6. Calls on Iraq to seriously cooperate with the International Committee of the Red Cross in efforts to implement UN resolution. 7. Condemn the United States acts of aggression against Libya. Finally, firmly support Indonesia position in East Timor.
5. Support the implementation of OIC's 10-year plan of action. Indonesia support the implementation of the OIC's 10-year plan of action of the 14th OIC Summit in Dakar, Senegal. Indonesia has room to play a great role in assuring the implementation of the OIC's reforms with the adoption of his charter. Indonesia is committed to creating freedom, tolerance, harmonization, and providing tangible evidence of the harmony between Islam, modernity, and democracy. Sheikh, host of 2014 OIC Summit. Indonesia hosted 2014 the OIC Summit which was in Jakarta. 7. House of the Oasis Extraordinary Summit. Indonesia is of the Oasis Extraordinary High-Level Conference to be precise in Jakarta. The conference was held on the 6th to the 7th March 2016. According to the Indonesia Minister of Finance, Letno Lestari Friansari Marsudi, the extraordinary Oasis Summit was held as the from of the Oasis countries' efforts to promote conflict resolution in Palestine. The solution in Palestine is getting worse day by day. This is mainly related to the status of the city of Al-Quds, Jerusalem, which affronted by Israel. Palestine has been recognized by 137 countries and has become a UN observer. This case is the result of the focus of an international community, including Indonesia, reconciling divided Islamic countries. Indonesia has become a mediator in many conflicts between progressive revolutionary group and conservative group. It's because Indonesia adheres to a free and anti-fragile policy, so it does not side with anyone, including the Arabs. Indonesia plays a role in reconciling the dispute between Palestine and Bangladesh. This is recognized by Islamic State. Indonesia is also fighting for the issue of the more Muslim.
That's all from Group 6. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.